Bangladesh, the land of beauty, land of rivers, the largest river delta, and in one of the biggest threats for a major earthquake. Underneath our scenic beauty lies an unseen danger, shifting tectonic plates. Bangladesh is one of the most tectonically active regions in the world. It sits where three tectonic plates meet: the Indian plate, the Eurasian plate, and the Burmese plate. The Indian plate is moving northeast, slowly colliding with the Eurasian plate. This collision formed the Himalayan mountains, and they are still raising. There are many active faults along this boundary, such as the enormous Dhauki fault, which originated due to the collision of India with Asia that borders northern Bangladesh. Movement along this fault formed the largest Shillong plateau, and the news doesn't end here. The major earthquake of 1762 that once shook our land, causing the mighty Brahmaputra to change its course, can happen again. And when that happens, are we ready for that? With more than 21 million people and 7,000 people per square kilometer, Dhaka is one of the world's most crowded cities, and the infrastructure is not even satisfactory in some cases. Most of these new buildings, bridges, and roads are not built to hold up in earthquake. For the past year, we are experiencing some minor or medium quakes, but the danger is coming towards us. A major blow can cause a devastating effects, and unlike other disasters, we can be ready for that. Until now, we are working with a project that can sense and detect earthquakes and send data to warn others before it hits. The speed of earthquake are about 9 km, and the speed of sending data is almost like the speed of light, giving us a better chance of protecting ourselves. A shake in the Dhauki fault can give us about 15 to 20 second heads up, and for some cases this might be the reason for saving lives. Our app works with the data taken from the users. Sensor can sense the vibration in the ground, and it will send an alert immediately with timestamp and location. Devices placed in a grid formation around the country can triangulate the exact spot of the origin and send real-time data to the server. The server, after evaluating this information and taking into account things like false positive, will send an alert all around the country. The devices on the user's part will get the data and can provide an approximate countdown until it hits them. Currently, we're using Android devices as our sensors, but in the future, we can add Arduino-based sensors to detect the vibration with less errors. Also, CCTV cameras can be used to detect any abnormality by machine learning. And if we get this required permission, the Jaflong Seismic Station, which is tracking the Shillong Plateau for quite a long time, can be used to send the most vulnerable information. Our goal is to create a cheap and efficient system for the people of our country. And if the project becomes successful, then we will progress to other calamities. After all, this is the least we can do for our beautiful motherland.